In the race to revolutionize transportation, China is leading the charge with some of the most innovative electric vehicles that are reshaping how we think about travel. From futuristic motorcycles to luxury multi-purpose vehicles, these groundbreaking machines are not just challenging the status quo, they're setting new standards in technology, design, and performance. And they are turning heads all over the world.
It's almost unbelievable.
Today, we'll explore some of the most mind-blowing electric vehicles that have emerged from China's auto industry, showing how they're leaving the world speechless with their ingenuity and vision for the future. From speed and versatility to comfort and sophistication, China's EVs are not just vehicles, they're statements of what's possible when technology and innovation collide. So buckle up as we dive into the electric future that's unfolding before us.
WAYYY.
The Yangwang U9, China's electric supercar marvel. Meet the Yangwang U9, a cutting-edge electric supercoupe from BYD Auto's luxury brand Yangwang. Designed by German maestro Wolfgang Egger, the U9 combines elegance with staggering performance, making waves since its debut at Auto Shanghai 2023. Under the hood, the U9 packs a jaw-dropping 1,290 horsepower from 4 electric motors, reaching a top speed of 243 miles per hour. It's the fastest Chinese car in serial production and rockets from 0 to 63 miles per hour in 2.36 seconds. On top of that, it boasts a maximum range of 280 miles and supports ultra-fast charging, just 10 minutes from 30% to 80%. Here's where it gets futuristic. The DICE's suspension system lets the U9 adjust wheel clearance independently and even perform a vertical jump. This feature isn't just for show, it allows the car to potentially leap over potholes and even police spikes, demonstrating BYD's bold approach to safety and innovation. At around $236,000 US dollars, the U9 isn't just a car. It's a statement. With its speed, innovation, and futuristic tech, it solidifies China's position as a serious player in the electric supercar race. Hong 216S, the flying taxi revolution. The EHang 216 is an innovative autonomous electric aircraft that aims to redefine urban air mobility. This 2-passenger drone is designed for short, efficient, and eco-friendly aerial transportation, offering a viable alternative to traditional ground traffic. With its 8 rotors, the 216 can reach speeds of up to 81 miles per hour and travel up to 22 miles on a single charge. What sets it apart is its full autonomy. There's no need for a pilot, as the aircraft is controlled by a cloud-based system. The EHang 216 is equipped with advanced safety features, including redundant motors, an emergency parachute, and autonomous navigation, ensuring safe operations even in challenging conditions. Whether used for personal commuting, emergency response, or air tourism, it promises to reduce traffic congestion and carbon emissions while offering a futuristic solution to mobility. Priced at $410,000 US dollars, the EHang 216 marks a significant milestone toward the reality of flying cars, combining cutting-edge technology with practicality and sustainability for the future of urban transport. NIO ET9, the snow-shaking luxury sedan. The NIO ET9 isn't just an electric sedan, it's a rolling showcase of innovation and luxury. Making headlines with its snow-shaking feature, this vehicle can clear snow from its roof by swaying side to side using its advanced chassis and hydraulic suspension system. It's like watching a dog shake off water. Except it's a car, a handy feature for frosty mornings. But don't forget to secure your coffee cup or loose items before activating it. Debuting at the end of last year, the ET9 has redefined what it means to blend elegance with cutting-edge technology. Its dual-motor drivetrain delivers a robust 77 horsepower, ensuring both speed and power. The 120K IH battery offers a commendable range of 160 miles and supports ultra-fast charging. Just 5 minutes to get you back on the road. Priced at around $110,000 US dollars, the NIO ET9 is perfect for those who crave both innovation and style. With its ability to literally shake things up, it's more than a car. It's a conversation starter on wheels. WAYYY Air Car, merging ground and sky. The Guangzhou Automobile Group, China's fifth largest automaker, has launched the WAYYY Air Car, a revolutionary single-passenger electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle that transitions seamlessly between driving and flying. First showcased in 2023, this cutting-edge vehicle consists of a rotable chassis and a detachable flight pod equipped with 12 electric motors and propellers. When the pod takes off, the chassis autonomously drives to the nearest charging station, ensuring uninterrupted travel. With a flight range of 124 miles and solar-powered charging stations in development, the WAYYY Air Car is poised to reshape urban mobility. After over 400 successful test flights, the vehicle earned the 2024 Science and Technology Innovation Product Award and secured a special commercial flight permit in China, bringing it closer to certification and commercialization. By 2027, GAC plans to connect cities with this innovative air and road vehicle, offering a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. XPeng X3, redefining flying cars. XPeng Aero HT, a division of XPeng Motors, has unveiled the XPeng X3, a groundbreaking flying car with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. Combining the functionality of a car with the thrill of flight, the X3 features 8 retractable rotors and weighs approximately 1,936 kg. In car mode, it operates like a standard EV, while in flight mode, it ascends vertically, reaching a top speed of 80 miles per hour with 35 minutes of airtime. Passengers can steer using a traditional steering wheel and gear lever, making aerial navigation intuitive. The 2-seat cabin offers a 270 DG panoramic view, ensuring a comfortable and scenic ride. Equipped with a hybrid power system, the X3 boasts an innovative feature where the ground module recharges the air module, reducing downtime. It supports both manual and autonomous control, enhancing its versatility. With plans for launch in 2024 at an estimated cost of $250,000, the XPeng X3 is poised to revolutionize personal transportation by seamlessly blending ground and air mobility. Shane electric concept car, revolutionizing balance and design. Invented by Shane Chen, creator of the hoverboard, the Shane electric concept car is a groundbreaking 2-wheeled electric vehicle. While its sleek, futuristic design might resemble a toy, it is engineered to accommodate 5 adults comfortably and deliver a safe, practical, and thrilling driving experience. The Shane car achieves stability through adaptive wheels that automatically adjust to maintain balance during acceleration and braking. Its innovative shifting center of gravity ensures safety at high speeds, rivaling the stability of traditional 4-wheeled vehicles. Additionally, its 2-wheel differential speed control simplifies parking and maneuvering, while regenerative shocks convert energy from damping into battery power, enhancing efficiency. Inside, the cabin feels like stepping into a futuristic roller coaster, blending cutting-edge aesthetics with functionality. Shane Chen's visionary creation redefines what a 2-wheeled vehicle can achieve, offering a glimpse into the future of sustainable and intelligent transportation.
This is the future.
InMotion V14 Adventurer Electric Unicycle. The InMotion V14 is a powerful electric unicycle designed for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Powered by a 4,000 W motor that peaks at 9,000 W, it can reach speeds of 43 miles per hour and conquer 50-degree inclines. With a 16-inch tire and a 134V battery, it offers a 75-mile range, making it perfect for long-distance rides. There are 2 battery options, the 50 GB for extended range and the 50S for faster acceleration and better high-speed performance. Equipped with a smart battery management system, riders can monitor battery performance via the InMotion app. The V14 also features progressive spring suspension for a smoother ride, adjustable spike pedals, and power pads for personalized comfort. Weighing just 86 pounds with a 309-pound payload capacity, it's compact yet durable. With an IPX6 rating for water resistance and built-in front and rear lights, the V14 is perfect for both day and night riding. Priced at $2,899, it offers a high-performance, eco-friendly transportation option that combines power, agility, and smart features in one sleek package. GWM SOHO SO2000 revolutionizing luxury touring. The SOHO S2000 marks a bold entry into the luxury motorcycle market by Great Wall Motors, a global automotive powerhouse. Unveiled at the Motor China Beijing International Motorcycle Exhibition, this motorcycle is equipped with a 2000cc flat-8 DOHC engine, offering a distinct advantage with its 8 cylinders. The Solo's design is influenced by traditional Chinese lion artwork with headlights resembling a lion's eyes, adding a unique retro flair. It's equipped with Brembo brakes, heating grips and seats, and a huge 12.3-inch LCD display. Riders can easily access various controls on the handlebars, including advanced intelligent cruise control, electric reverse gear, blind spot monitoring, and voice control for menus. The bike is priced at $28,800 with pre-order starting on November 1st, and delivery is expected by March 2025. The GWM SOHO S2000 blends power, luxury, and futuristic technology, positioning itself as a contender in the high-end motorcycle market that offers a thrilling, comfortable ride with cutting-edge features. Zeekr 9 Grand, the pinnacle of luxury electric MPVs. The Zeekr 9 Grand is a groundbreaking luxury electric minivan, launched in April 2024. Built on Geely's Sustainable Experience architecture platform, this 4-seat vehicle offers unmatched comfort with first-class airline seats, headrest speakers, massage functions, and features like foldable tables and ventilation. The 43 3-inch cloud smart screen, intelligent refrigerator, and fragrance system enhance its lavish interior, while the dual Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295 CPUs manage all smart features seamlessly. Under the hood, the 9 Grand delivers impressive performance with dual electric motors producing 536 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. The vehicle's top speed is 120 miles per hour, and it is powered by a cell-to-pack battery available in 116 140 or 140 100 options, ensuring long-range driving. For a price of $109,000 US dollars, the Zeekr 9 Grand redefines luxury electric mobility, blending state-of-the-art technology, incredible performance, and unparalleled comfort. China's electric vehicle revolution is just getting started, and the vehicles we've explored today are proof that the future of transportation is already here. These groundbreaking innovations showcase how technology, sustainability, and design are coming together to redefine the way we move. China is leading the charge and shaping the next generation of electric mobility at a speedy pace and challenges other countries, including the US, to keep up.
China.
As these electric vehicles continue to evolve, the world will undoubtedly be watching, amazed by the endless possibilities and the bold steps China is taking to change the future of transportation. So, what's next in this electrifying journey? Do like and subscribe if you found this interesting, and stay tuned because the future of travel is only just beginning.